This video describes importing the various thermal simulation packages available and how you can chop and change between the various imports. So first we have the file ribbons, and you can see here, first of all, we're going to import from TAS. So selecting import TAS room demand, we select the icon, we then go and select the TBD file that we want to import. So if we select browse, we then select the TBD file, that's the TAS building design file that we want to import. We then open that up and then preview. This will then present us with all of the results imported from the TAS TBD file, having performed the TAS simulation. We're only viewing these at the moment. It's important we push the import button, otherwise those results will not be associated with the spaces. That is now associated all of the import data with the spaces. If you want to review the results, in the display ribbons, you have your room results. So these can be displayed in exactly the same format that they were imported. You may actually want to import dynamic simulation results from other third-party packages via a spreadsheet. The spreadsheet needs to take exactly the same format as the display you can see on the screen. So if you are customizing your output from any third-party packages, it has to be done in this order: room number, room name, peak heating and cooling load in that specific order in kilowatts, peak heating and cooling flow rate, again in that specific order in meters cubed per second. You then go and select the file from the edit menu and import CSV results, and you retrieve the CSV file from the appropriate folder that you've written it to. You select the CSV file, open that file up and preview, and again that will present you with a set of results now from the third-party package. And again you select the import option, and that then imports those results, which you can then again display in the room reviews and room results. You may at some point want to revert back to the internal MEP Works derived calculations, in which case you can revert to the SIBSI admittance calculation by selecting the button. That will then perform a calculation. You can see the rooms changing in the bottom left hand corner, but it's very important that you review your design data. And this does actually give you a reminder of that fact. So you need to make sure that you go to Edit General Plant, you review, as per the previous videos we looked at, all of your design intent on each of these tabs. And also you would need to review your construction details and all of your room profiles to make sure the values again reflect your design intent. So you would effectively be running the internal calculation as opposed to merely importing results. So this video is effectively explain the three ways you can perform the calculation: importing from TAS, importing from third-party packages via spreadsheet, and then referring back to the SIBSI steady-state calculations that MEP Works has built internally.